Hi, it's injury attorney Ann Fong, and today we're going to talk about the importance of having a dash cam in your car. Now, it's so important, guys, because sometimes you're involved in an accident where there's no witnesses. There's no one in your car, there's no independent witness, there's no one in the road that's going to stop. But if you have your dash cam, that can save you right there. We get a ton of people who get involved in accidents where what we call a he said, she said. And what that means is just another driver against another driver's version of what happened. And in those cases, without an independent witness, we can't prove liability and there's no case. So protect yourself, get a dash cam. And what we're gonna do this month is offer 5 dash cams free, 1 each week for this next month so that you guys can protect yourself, and you'll get more of the instructions later. But if you don't win this one, invest in it. I mean, they're under $100, guys. You stick it in the front or the back of your windshield and you'll be protected, okay? So please enter and share with all your friends. Thank you.